Guys, this is a very important problem. Our job is to find the answer to this equation right here by using the theorems in which we developed previously. So here, the first part of this theorem, basically, we have to break this up, and so that we can take advantage of what they call the sum parts theorem right here, right? So this is possible by the sum parts theorem. So yeah, it allows us to break this up, right? So we add 24 to 1 to get 25, which is correct. Now we're going to break these up down the bottom, right? Then negative 2.5. So basically, we're going to break this up. What is this called? This is called the mixed number theorem. So the mixed number theorem can be decomposed to this, right? So it's also possible by the sum parts theorem as well. But be careful, guys, because this is called a mixed number theorem. It's real specific. So M over N is equal to A, C over B. So don't forget that, right? Very important. So we got it right there listed. And another thing too, so we took their differences, and what step to justify by taking their differences? It's called a subtraction theorem, right? Or the subtraction property is possible by the subtraction theorem. So basically, you add up all the parts to equals that whole to get that, right? So the missing parts should have been there. So that's why it's so important. So notice all these theorems plays a major role in solving this simple equation. Yes, this is a very difficult problem, and I have to simplify this because I didn't get into the technical details. Yeah, so this is very important. That's why when you subtract fractions and stuff like that, make sure you take precautions of doing this by hand, not by calculator. So this is the correct procedure of doing this by hand. And basically, why did I break them up like that? Because remember, you need a bar from the, you need to bar a hole from there in order to take care of that part. So remember, the sum parts theorem is very important. That's why it's called the sum parts theorem. Okay? And that's why a lot of kids get lost here doing this. Alright guys, see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.